But we have a problem. There's currently no way, based off what we've learned so far about programming, for us to access our name variables just by changing which one we're looking at with an integer that's run at runtime. So how could I go ahead and store a value of whatever the user typed in into one of these name variables when the name variable that I want to store it in changes every time the loop executes? The first time the loop executes, I want to store my value in name 1. The second time, I want to store it in name 2. The third time, I want to store it in name 3. And the last time, I want to store it in name 4. Well, we could certainly do something like this. If name index equals 1, name 1 equals console read line, blah, blah, blah. We could do that. This is one way that I've seen people approach this problem without arrays before, where they'll have unique variables for every single thing that they want to represent, and then they'll use an if statement or a switch statement to determine which variable they want to shove that data in. But now we're back to square one, where for every name that we want to be able to type into our program, we have to add more code, and that's not really acceptable. So what's the next solution? Well, some people try to do something like this. I've seen a lot of people do this, where they're like, okay, well, I wonder if I take the name variable and I concatenate on an index, and I use this expression to dynamically refer to one of these 4 variables. I've seen this written a lot, and it doesn't work. It won't work. It won't ever work. It's not how C# works. There's no way to dynamically access variables inside of C#. That's not true for all languages, but for C# it is. So this solution is out. There's no way to do it.